Easy lunch ang gagawin ko ngayon. Yan ko lang siya, gawa ko ng rice. Then kasi yung rice namin is 30 minutes siya maluluto. So mga 10 minutes before siya mag-end, lalagay ko na yung ito. Sa ibabaw ng rice, ilalagay ko siya white onion, corn, and yung minarinate ko na thin meat. Beef yung ginamit ko, hindi siya pork. So, gagawa na ako kasi nga magsusundo ako sa alaga ko. Pasensya na ako ganito kasi wala akong space sa kusina talaga. So, gawa muna ako ng rice. Papaklangan ko ng rice. 10 minutes, i-ano ko na siya para and then the onion, white onion, and then the meat, ten minutes. Magsusundo ako sa alaga ko, then come back. Luto na to siya. Here you go! Ganito na siya, guys. Yung lunch ng alaga ko. And then, iano ko na lang siya imimix ko lang siya. Ito nga. So yummy, baby.
You like it?
You see? It's like chow fan.
This is my food.
Yeah.
Wait.
Wait. Huh?
I don't really like it.
You have no choice. You didn't tell me what do you want tonight, right today for lunch.
I want more fish.
You don't have seaweeds?
What's it?
This one.
No.
No? And mommy didn't buy new one too. So we don't have choice. Just try lah. Are you hungry? You're hungry? Huh? Why? Oh no, the good thing we really let Marnie Cheche borrow the umbrella. You say heavy na. So heavy na. Moy. Ayaw niya. Gusto niya yung leftover. Gusto niya yung leftover na food. You don't like, right? You don't like your lunch? Huh? Don't like, ma?
That's not bad.
That's not bad. Hi guys, it's me here, Badang in Hong Kong, Charmos Kinamos. Mag-cooking cereal naman tayo for today's video. Ang lutuin ko ngayon is roasted pampano and roasted chicken. Half lang yung ginamit ko kasi nga hindi ko kakain sa among lalaki at saka alaga ko lang kakain. Then mag-i-steam ako ng corn for him. And then ito yung vegetable na lutuin ko. Kangkong, water, spinach. Luto na tayo. Moy? Do you have katep? For the hands. Dapat kan kami kapapa. Ito ang aming dinner. Pampano. Inano po siya parang inano po siya sa oven na na-foil. Then, butter spinach with fermented bean curd, steamed sweet corn, rice, for my alaga, and roasted chicken. Kainan na tayo. Ay, sila lang pala.